It's nap time. We've had a busy morning of playing and enjoying our time together. Now my son, who's 2 years old, is down for his nap, and we never know how long that's going to be. But I'm going to take advantage of this time to myself, get my house cleaned up, put back in order, and make a few snacks for him to enjoy later this afternoon and tomorrow. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope this video gives you lots of cleaning motivation, homemaking inspiration, and you leave here feeling like you've just been hanging out with a friend. She realized she was replaceable in every area of her life except her home. So she invested her time, her energy, and her heart wisely. I just love that quote. I know I've shared it a few times in other videos, but I hold it so dearly to my heart, especially when taking care of my home, trying to slow down and really take in these moments and enjoy as much time as I can with my 2-year-old son. Time is going by very fast, and he's on his way to almost 3. Having kids really puts time in perspective, and I was definitely told it's going to make time speed up even more than it already does as we get older. And that's definitely been true. I'm definitely looking for a pause button on many occasions during this time to try to hold on to every last bit of his changes and learning and growing that I can. Becoming a mother has been one of the sweetest times of my life. Something I wasn't sure I'd actually get to, but I'm so thankful that I'm experiencing it right now with my son. I hope in your motherhood journey you're taking the time to slow down and enjoy all these little moments too. Even the moments of taking care of your house while your child is napping. And today, while I took care of my house during this nap time, I wanted it to be slow. I wanted it to be intentional, not rushed or overwhelming. My house was in pretty good shape. Most of the cleaning that needed to be done was definitely these floors. They were overdue for a good cleaning, so I'm starting off by cleaning them with this robot vacuum that vacuums and mops at the same time, so that definitely saves me a lot of time. The rest of the house just needed to be wiped down and picked up. There wasn't any deep cleaning that needed to be done, so I was able to really enjoy it, appreciate our home and all of our things, knowing that when my son woke up, he'd be able to enjoy a nice clean floor to play on, picked up areas. I could clean up some of these smudges on his table. We did enjoy this afternoon sitting here coloring together, which is one of his favorite activities. He loves to color, and he's been reciting his name while he colors, learning how to spell it. So it's been so cute to be involved with. So if you have some housework to do today, I hope you're able to do it slowly and intentionally. I hope you can find some enjoyment in it and some peace and restoration as you get your house back in order to be able to make memories and enjoy your time with your family. I filmed this on a Saturday, and my husband was able to be home with us on this day. He made us a delicious lunch, and for some reason when he cleans the dishes, he always leaves the clean dishes here on the stovetop. So that's why I'm putting them away now. They are clean, just sitting here waiting to be put away. I have no idea why he does that. I should ask him. It's very odd, but he always does that. And I definitely have to appreciate that he was here and able to cook for us, because he is a fantastic cook. Unlike me, who definitely has to follow a recipe and am trying extra hard to learn how to cook, it is not something that comes naturally to me, or I can say I really even enjoy, but I am definitely wanting to enjoy it since it is so important and something that needs to be done every single day. But for today, I get to be extra grateful and relaxed that my husband was able to cook for us. When we were first married, our schedules were completely different. He got home before I did, so he did all of the cooking for dinner, and it was so great. Since he is such a good cook, we always had wonderful dinners. He kind of just goes all out, and dinner is a big deal for him. And I definitely hope that I can learn and grow in my cooking skills and desire to cook so that I can give that back to him. So if you have any recipes that you enjoy, dishes that you and your family enjoy for dinners, I would love to know what they are. So please leave them down in the comments down below. I'm always looking for new things to make, and I definitely feel like I'm in a dinner idea rut where I keep just making the same things over and over. So any new ideas that you have, I would appreciate. So please leave them in the description, in the comments down below. My husband's birthday is next week, so I figured we'd just leave the happy birthday banner up and the football decorations. He is a huge football fan, which I'm pretty sure he was sitting here watching Saturday college football. He loves college football, NFL football, any kind of football, he wants to watch it. So I'm assuming we'll probably have some of his friends over for the game on Sunday, and we can celebrate his birthday, so I'll just leave the decorations for now. I'm just hurrying through this room because the vacuum was following me around the entire time that I was picking up on this day. I'm just going to pile all these here so they're off the floor, and the robot vacuum can take care of cleaning the floor for me. Now I figured I would make a couple snacks for my son to enjoy. The first one is some frozen bananas. So I'm just going to take this banana and cut it into 4s, and then I'm going to top it with peanut butter and chocolate. I would have also liked to top it with some flaxseed that I did think we had, but we were out of, so I had to add that to the grocery list. This was super simple and extra delicious. Kind of tasted like a Reese's peanut butter cup on a banana. And then you just put it in the freezer and let it freeze. And it was absolutely delicious and such a nice afternoon snack for us to enjoy. You could top this with so many different things. You could do some crushed nuts if you like that. You could do some mini M&Ms if you wanted to make it more chocolatey, or some coconut flakes. There's lots of different ideas you could do to make these extra special. I didn't have anything on hand. I was just trying to make snacks of things that I had here on hand in my kitchen already. So we just kept them simple for today. Just did the bananas, peanut butter, and chocolate. And the second snack that I'm going to make today has a couple names. If you buy it in the grocery store, I've seen it on the bags called Muddy Buddies. I grew up calling it Puppy Chow, and I'm sure some of you have other names I've never heard of. But it's just Chex Mix with peanut butter and chocolate and confectioner's sugar on top. It's very easy. We had all of these ingredients in the house already, and it took me no time to just whip together, and was so delicious for a little snack this afternoon. So I'm just using the Chex Mix that we have, which was a chocolate Chex Mix. You can use any Chex Mix that you want. And then I'm mixing in some chocolate, peanut butter, and a little bit of butter that I'm going to melt in the microwave. There are lots of recipes for this online, so you can find one that sounds good to you. I didn't use a recipe. I didn't even make any measurements. I was just trying to eyeball because I didn't want to use an entire package of cereal. That would have been way too much for just our little family. I was just making a little bit for us to enjoy over the weekend and didn't want too much because, you know, sometimes you make these huge snacks and then you feel like you got to eat it all, and that's just not the healthiest way to enjoy a little snack that's just meant to be a treat. So I was just trying to make a little bit for us to enjoy this afternoon and maybe tomorrow if there was any left. So I didn't measure, I kind of just eyeballed and went from there. I think it worked out totally fine. It was delicious, as this always is. This is a perfect recipe of a snack to have during the holidays. I think it's something so fun to do with the kids. Next time I make this, I'll definitely make sure that my son is not napping so then he can help me, and also something just easy to have around during the holidays for people to snack on. So if you are looking for something, I hope you give this a try. I know that your kids are going to greatly enjoy this. I'm just going to set the mood even more here on this relaxing Saturday with making the house smell like there is a pie baking. This is just a warmer that we got from Walmart, and this is an apple pie warming scent in it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some homemaking motivation, cleaning motivation, are able to feel a little bit more relaxed and able to enjoy all the tasks that you need to get done around your house. If you have not yet, I'd love for you to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday.